Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to share a few tips for taking care of your seedlings. So if you're just starting, to dabble in gardening, you plant some seeds and they start to grow, and you really feel good about it, and which is great. But once the seeds start to grow, next 4 to 6 weeks are really crucial for them. So the first tip is that for the next 4 to 6 weeks, they require a lot of TLC. So you have to, take care of them. You have to wash them every day and see how they are doing, and make sure if you feel that they are not growing well, you need to take care of them. You need to do something about it, but you have to wash them every day. The second tip is the most problematic thing with the seedlings is that, especially if you're growing them inside, is that they don't get enough light and they become really leggy. So what that means is that the seedlings start to grow, and then within 4 or 5 days they're like 2 3 inches tall. Now if it was beans or zucchini, they grow really fast, but most of the seeds they take a lot of time. But suppose they grow very fast, so the stalks are really thin, and they're growing tall because they're looking for light. So you have to make sure that they get 2 3 hours of direct sunlight, especially if you're growing them inside. Put them in the south facing windowsill, or if that is not possible, then maybe put some grow light or some full spectrum light on top of that. The third thing is that because the roots of these seedlings have not fully matured, and the plants are really tender, you have to water them every day, or at least make sure that the soil is moist all the time. So because if the soil dries and there is not much, they are so tender, they'll immediately dry up. So you have to make sure that the soil is moist all the time. And the fourth thing is that if you have if you're growing these seeds outside, and there are a lot of slugs in your garden, the seedlings will start to grow, and suddenly you will see that there is nothing left there because the slugs have taken away or cut the whole plant away. So you have to protect them from slugs. So there are a lot of pesticides available for slugs. So I would recommend that if you have slugs in your garden, just scatter them around your seedlings so that slugs don't eat them away. So to summarize, you need to watch your seedlings every day because they're really tender. You can't just leave them alone. They're just like babies. You have to wash them all the time. The second thing is you need to give them direct sunlight, otherwise they'll become very leggy and weak and they'll not grow properly. Third, you have to keep the soil moist because they're really tender, and if the soil is dry, the seedlings will dry up. And fourth, protect them from slugs. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.